want you to see exactly what happened. I did 18 containers, okay? 18 containers. You know, straight neck squash, contender beans, market more cucumbers. I'm trying to read some of the labels. Pumpkins, winter squash, sugar babies, and like I said, watermelon. So I looked even closer. Let's see, is this one of them? Yeah. I made holes in them, and I come out and I see, oh, where is it? No, that's not a good example. Oh, here we go. Here's a good example. Hope you can see that. The birds dug them up and had themselves breakfast this morning. And they basically did that to all of them. Here's another one. So what I'm going to have to do is I wanted to dig down and see whether I still had seeds in there, but you know what? I'm just going to plant more seed in there because I still have the list of things that I'm going to plant, and I'm just going to go for broke, you know, because if there's more than one that come up, I will just snip it. So, you know, we all have disappointments in the garden. We all have times when our, you know, we can get upset about things, but, you know, the focus is on our harvest. The focus is on our harvest. And I don't know if you can see that, how they dug that little hole there. So, we're living outside. We have to reset sometimes and go for broke and do the best we can, even in the garden. So I hope everybody is enjoying themselves. And I know a lot of our southern families, they are enjoying harvest. I'm still in the process of planting and, you know, reaping some harvests. Now it's gone from spring to summer and getting kind of hot, so a lot of my greens are just not taking to things very well. But I do have, you know, on my porch some lettuce and greens that we can come out and snip when we want them, and some strawberries for the babies. So just wanted to show you a little quick issue that can happen in anyone's garden. So don't be discouraged. Okay, keep on growing, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye-bye.